Okay, this is my 35-gallon fish tank. It's all goldfish. I have my Comet, which is Lola. My Rudkin, Milo. My Blackmore, Fancy. My Shubucken, Rudolph. My aquatic frog, Sprayer. And then back there is Night Fury. He's cleaning. And that's my fish tank. And Thursday, I will be getting my apple snail. And I'll take a video of that for you guys. Yep, I'm excited about that. There he is. Well, thanks for watching. That's all.